Hello everyone, this is DM1866. It is a 1998 Nissan Skyline GTT Sedan. It does have the factory optional aero, rain visors, clear sequential side blinkers, window tint, new Falcon tires.
It's hard to get back here, guys, sorry. It's a really pretty car.
It is pretty. Paint's in excellent shape. Pop the hood for you to check that out first.
Does have a front mount.
I got you.
Thank you. Heavy hood.
Yep. It does have a new battery.
Super clean in the engine bay here.
Strut towers look excellent.
See the front mount down here. It's a Blitz front mount. Let's see if I can scooch around you here, Ed.
Yep. It was originally an automatic. It was manual swapped, originally turbo. All OEM parts.
Interior of this one,
It's super nice.
pretty spectacular. Tomei shift knob.
AC does work.
Oh yeah, this thing runs and drives fantastic.
It does.
Yeah. Just incredibly clean interior.
Oh, dang.
That's cool.
I didn't know how to pass through.
Hey, we learned something new.
Yep.
Check out the trunk. Even the way the door's shut, it just like feels like a new car. Nice. You've shut a couple, 33, 32 doors in our day, and the 34s feel a little.
Yeah, it feels a little bit more quality.
Yeah.
It feels more like a Maxima than a 240.
Yeah, no kidding. Super clean in here. You've got your tools as well. You can really see down in there. It's pretty dark, but it is very clean.
It is clean. And I forgot my flashlight today. Sorry.
It does have some pretty cool.
Let me hit the four ways.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Super sick.
Super cool. Just little stuff.
Yeah. If you have any questions or want to see anything specific, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to send you a picture, a video, whatever you would like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.